Hi, boys and girls. I just finished the last lesson and I thought, oh, today would be a good day to get out your shape, your orange folder. Get out your orange folder. It says shapes on it. Open it up and take out the very first page. Oh, wow. I guess it's a whole packet. I forgot. We put all of them together, but we're going to do the very first page, okay? And then I'll close my folder, do this. Now, if you can write your name, boys and girls, I want you to write your name up here. It's N-A-M-E. You're going to be seeing that word a lot. N-A-M-E spells name. And then there's a line. Okay, parents, again, if your child can't write their name yet by themselves, the little trick is to get a highlighter, which I don't see, okay? And just you write their name in highlighter and then they write it. I'm going to write Mrs. Jenkins. Since this isn't name practice, you don't have to make them do it perfect. We just want to be able to read it, as best we can right now. Okay, so this says circle. Remember, circle, C-I-R-C-L-E. And all you have to do is trace it, C-I-R-C-L-E. Now, some of the kids might not be able to do this now, and again, use a highlighter if they can't. But we've got some kids from TK. They've already got real good fine motor skills, and I've seen quite a few kids with good fine motor skills. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Okay, now it says trace the circles. I think I have my pencil in my hand, so is the first one a circle? No, why don't we just X it out? Put an X in it. Okay, and then we'll know. No, we're not going to do that. That's not a circle. It has straight lines. That's a square. Here's a circle. I'm going to start at the top. Yeah, I have the pencil in my hand, but this is good. All the tracing is really good for the kids to develop their fine motor skills. So it's kind of nice to do the pencil pinch. And if they want to go back and color it later, they can. Wow, this one is tricky. It kind of looks like a circle, but those sides are, look, I think it's not an octagon. It has more sides than that, but they're sort of straight. I don't think I'm going to color that one. I think I'm going to X that out. I've got to ask my other teacher friends to see what they think. And then I'm going to trace around this one. And then down here in the box says to draw your own. I think there's enough room. I want you to draw 3 like we did on our Zoom yesterday. I want you to draw a big one, a medium one, and a small one. If you'd rather start with a small one, you can. You could do one small, one medium, and one large. Okay, now I'm not going to take the time to color it. See this cute little, it looks like a pumpkin or an apple. Yeah, it looks like a pumpkin when you look at the stem. You can color that. You can color the 2 circles that we traced. You can color the ones at the bottom. But right now, I'm not going to take time to do that, okay? Now I'm going to take a peek at this one too. Okay, here's the second page, all right? Okay, it says write the name of the shape. Again, parents, if you need to help them, it's C-I-R-C-L-E. You could highlight and let them trace it. And here, it's right up here, okay? So in fact, that would be good to trace first. Sorry about that, I never use these pages. They were printed for us and we made the little packets together and I thought, oh, I haven't done that one. Now it says, how many corners are in the circle? How many sides does it have? Okay, really look at that. That's a tricky question, right? So if we were talking about a square, here, let me hold up this folder again, or a rectangle, look, you can count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does our circle have? 0. It doesn't have a circle. It has a curved line. The lines are not straight. Okay, you need straight lines to make a corner. So we're going to put a 0 here. It says how many sides? 0. Then it says trace the circle. So I'm gonna take my time, try to stay on the dotted lines. Now the second one says complete the circle. So there's half of a circle. We want to complete it. And then it says draw the shape. Okay, it has dots, so when we get to straight lines, we can use the dots to make them super straight. But for a circle, we're just gonna make a circle here like that. Okay, so both of those pages, I'm gonna let you have a choice. I want you to use pencil. I'm gonna let you have a choice. If you wanna color in those shapes afterwards, you can. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna just do a little tiny bit of coloring. I love the circle that's like a pumpkin. So I don't know. Some pumpkins are not exactly round. Some are oval, but some are round like circles, aren't they? I'm looking for a brown for the stem, a brown for the stem, and a green for the leaves or the tendrils, those are called. There, okay? And maybe I can make a red circle. Oops, I grabbed a pink, so it's gonna be pink. Okay, I'll color that in. And maybe I want to make a yellow circle. I was trying to do red circle like Cindy's circle. That's all right. You use whatever colors you want. Okay, but I'm not going to color the other two because they're not circles. I could color these two. So the coloring is optional. Just do 2 pages. And then parents, I meant to tell you this on another page. If you guys want to be the teacher and put a stamp or a sticker or a happy face, I'll give you a little suggestion. These are, I've got some smelly markers. We like to use the smelly markers. I'm going to take a red. It smells like cherry. Okay. Also, Walmart. You can get these anywhere. Target. Okay, but kids love them. And at the tables, when they do a good job, we try to correct things right away to give them positive feedback. So I would probably, on this one, give them a happy face. Parents, go ahead, because if they do end up returning all this work, I'm just going to check it really fast, that they did it. And then maybe I could put a star on this one, okay? So parents, go ahead and some people were saying, oh gosh, we need to motivate the kids. Oh, they don't feel like doing their work. So that's good motivation. The smelly markers, stickers, stamps, it's going to make them want to work a little bit harder, right? If you're writing a nice little note. And so that's just a little teacher tip, okay? Okay, bye, thanks.